Welcome back to Grow with ESA. Imagine making money from your YouTube channel without depending on YouTube ads. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. In today's video on Grow with ESA, we're going to reveal 5 powerful ways to earn money without monetizing your YouTube channel, even if you're not getting ad revenue. Stick around and learn how you can start earning today. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to Grow with ESA and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more exciting tips and tricks. For example, fitness YouTubers target people who want to get healthier, while tech channels help viewers make informed decisions about gadgets. Steve Jobs once said, "Your customer doesn't always know what they want or what problems they are facing, but that's where you come in." When you position yourself as an expert and offer real solutions, you'll be creating value that will build trust and keep people coming back. So let's break down the 5 easiest ways to monetize your channel. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn money by promoting products or services relevant to your audience. By sharing affiliate links to products, you earn a commission on every sale made through your link. For instance, if you run a tech review channel, you can share affiliate links for gadgets or software. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, says, "Align your recommendations with your audience's interests, and you'll build both trust and revenue." 2. Selling merchandise. Another great way to monetize is by selling custom merchandise. Platforms like Printful and Teespring allow you to design and sell products with your unique branding without worrying about production or shipping. This is perfect for creators with catchphrases, logos, or themes that resonate with their viewers. Let your audience wear their support for your channel and build a deeper connection with them. 3. Sponsored content. Collaborating with brands through sponsored content is another lucrative income stream. You can partner with companies that align with your niche and showcase their products or services in your videos. For example, a fitness channel could partner with protein supplement brands. But remember, authenticity is crucial. Viewers can tell when a creator is genuinely endorsing a product or just promoting it for the paycheck. Be selective and work only with brands that match your channel's values. 4. Digital products. If your channel focuses on educational content or tutorials, selling digital products like eBooks, online courses, or templates can be incredibly profitable. Let's say you teach graphic design. You could create and sell exclusive content or add channel memberships on YouTube, creating a loyal fan base that supports your work in exchange for added perks. This builds a strong community and offers steady income as your followers grow. Monetize. Creating a strong community. It's not just about making money, it's about building a community around your channel. Your audience should feel valued, and the more you engage with them, the more they'll trust and support you. Providing value through any of the above methods will create lasting relationships, and over time, these relationships can translate into significant revenue. These 5 strategies will transform your channel into a thriving business that serves your audience's needs while generating income. As Oprah says, you become what you believe. If you believe you're creating value, the money will follow. So, start implementing these strategies today and watch your channel grow naturally. Remember, opportunities don't come around often, so when they do, grab them. Follow the advice of Warren Buffett: when it's cold, put out the bucket and the thimble. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Grow with ESA for more tips on growing your channel and making money online. Don't forget to like, comment, and share if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one. If you want to grow sales, brand, store marketing, and marketplaces, then visit our website and get in touch with us. The website link of Ecom Scale Up Agency is in the description.